Good afternoon. My name is Adam Oleskowitz, and today I'm going over screen capture. And we're using a tool called Screencast-O-Matic. And we're currently visiting the website ipicky.com/home. And iPicky is a website for editing photos. So let's click Edit a Photo. And here it provides you their own personal photo library, or you can use your own photo library. So up here, you just go to Add Images, opens up a folder. You can transfer it from your own personal folder to this space right here. And here, we're going to open this photo here with a double click. And it provides us a photo of Central Park in New York City in the middle of September 2022. As you can see, we have a softball field and softball players playing ball that afternoon. First thing we're going to do is crop the photo using the rule of thirds. Okay. So we don't necessarily need to have the players in the center of the photo. We're going to show a little bit more of the sky and the tree line, like so, and we're good to go there. And we're just going to hit apply. Okay, so our photo is officially cropped. I want to add some text to this photo. Okay, go to T, add text, and we're going to go to the text box here, and I'm just simply going to write Central Park, New York City, New York. Of course, it's tough to see that there, so we're going to raise it up and center it right there. Okay. And once we're good to go there, we're going to hit apply up at the top of the screen. And now we have text over our photo. It gives you a bunch of different options here. You can change colors, you can lighten the photo, you can darken the photo to make it more look like nighttime. Right now, I just want to add a frame to the photo. So I'm going to go with a basic border frame. Provides us just a nice white and black outline frame going around the photo. I happen to like that, so we're going to save that photo like such. Oh, excuse me. We're going to hit apply first, and then we're going to save the photo. File name is Central Park. I want to save it as a JPEG. The quality is great, and we're going to save it to my computer. And that provides us with a finished product. You can use Screencast-O-Matic in your class to really visit any website of instruction. So in this website, we chose ipicky.com for editing photos. You can build this into a presentation as an instructor and teach your students in your classroom. Hopefully this helps today. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.